Uh, wait, what the hell? How did I got here? Hello? Hello? Huh? Hello? How did I got here? Hello? Anyone? Oh, hey, Bomb. What did you say to me? I say, hey, Bomb. You're Bomb. Basically, dude, I'm not Bomb anymore. Wait, what? Yeah, you lived in the 1980s. What the hell? My name's not Bomb. It's Lomb. Seriously, Bomb? It's like the same thing. Bomb. You serious? No. You have to say it right. Bomb. You say bomb. That might say bomb. Oh, whatever, Bomb. I need your help. What? You need my help? I just came here, just teleported here. What? I was in my village, going to the store. I had to get some food. But then, I just teleported in a teleporter, and it brought me here. I mean, you're normal. I don't see anything with you around you. What? I am normal? Wow, I think I am just an anger bird. Yeah, you're normal. I hate this. All these fans are gonna be like, I'm stupid. I'm an idiot. Wait, Red, come back here. What do you want, Bomb? Have you heard about these people, the new pigs? The pigs, they're back. Yeah. What are they doing now? Didn't you see the movie, dude? At the end, the credits. What? No, I didn't. I'm sorry. I wasn't seeing the credits. Well, he said he was gonna hatch a new plan. He did. He's coming back. What? That stupid pig is coming back? Yes. I'm gonna think of a plan. Ah! Red! Red! Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. No, Red, you're not okay. Because that's like the whole way you change. Red, what's happening to you? What do you mean, what's happening to me? Red? Red, what happened to you? What do you mean? What happened to me? I'm perfectly okay. No, you're not, Red. You're not. Yeah, I'm perfectly okay. I feel okay. Yeah, I'm perfectly okay. What do you mean I'm not okay? Red, I swear you're not okay. I'm gonna jump down there. Wait, how come it didn't affect me? Dude, Bomb, you're stupid. If you're gonna be stupid, I can't be friends with you anymore. Red, I swear, you changed. Bob, I was always like this. No, you weren't. You were just a fat circle with the nose. What did you just tell me? A fat circle. You're two. No, now you have a body. Bomb, I always had a body. I mean, come here. Come where? Just come and follow me. Come. Alright, look at this mirror and you'll see what's happening. Okay? Alright, Bomb, whatever you say. But I'm perfectly looking the same. Okay, look at this. What's happened to me? Told you changed. Some weirdos don't believe, Bomb. See, I told you you've changed. Bomb, you were right. I told you you've changed a lot. See, I told you, you jumped in this hole would change your body. I'm scared, Bob. I don't want to be like this forever. We're not gonna be for this forever. Really, Bob? Nah, I'm joking. Yeah, you are gonna be for this. Okay, let's calm down and think about the pigs. Oh yeah, the pigs. Now that I have a body, they don't have a body. Oh yeah. twerk. Yeah, twerk, 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 twerk. Oh, no one wants to see that. I do. Well, look at your butt. But yeah, the pigs. Actually, the pigs. You said they were hatching a new plan, right? Didn't you saw the movie? Maybe not. Well, yes, they're hatching a new plan. And what's their plan? I don't know. I'm not a genius. You genius bird. Oh, so what do you think the plan is? Maybe get the eggs again. We gotta stop them. Yes, we gotta stop them. Bow. Patow. Patow. I don't know, man, but we gotta stop him. We gotta stop him fast. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, I don't know where to go. I gotta hatch a new plan. Ha 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 ha. I have a plan now. I'll get the pigs with this control. This Xbox One control. I'll make a machine that kills the pigs, and I'll use the control of the video game. Ah ha 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 ha. Oh yeah, that's delicious. And then I'll get those eggs, and then I'll laugh in their face. Ha ha, you suck. Ha ha. Yeah, I'll get those birds. Bomb. We walked forever. Seriously? We just walked like for a mile. That's not far. But Bomb, I'm tired, man. Phew. Wait, Bomb, what is that? What's what? What is that? What's that? I don't know. What is that bump? What? It's coming towards us. It's coming towards us. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming towards us. I'm gonna blow up. Bomb, don't blow up now. Let's hide. It's coming towards us. It's coming towards us. It's coming towards us. It's coming towards us. Hey guys, Super Excited here. Today I just want to tell you guys that that's gonna be part 1 for the Angry Bird series. I'm starting an Angry Bird series. So yeah, hope you guys like this Angry Bird series. I tried so hard on it. I'm not gonna spoiler who is the new character. So yeah, you guys will see that in the other video. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, guys, I say peace. And sorry if I did not do the gaming video. Shout out to my cousin Ruby and Fernando. So see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, sorry. Bye. Bye.